We're doing all seasons in one day, really.
Why not?
Yeah, we have 40s, even had some 50s overnight. At midnight last night, we had 50 degrees in the metro. Yeah.
Cray.
Now we're still talking about 40s as you step out the door. Rain moving in. The wind gusts, those are going to be picking up later on today. I got to talk about this because this is going to be the expansive impact for everybody across Iowa as far as these west-northwest winds cranking up to around 40 to 50 miles per hour for the afternoon commute. This is lunchtime going into the afternoon, 3 o'clock, starting to even think about getting off work. And then as you do so, 6 o'clock, still holding on to around 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts, even starting to see some of those stronger ones, 45 to 55, even a possibility at some spots. We have a little bit more of a northwest direction by that time, but either way, you will be dealing with that crosswind and headwind depending on your direction. As far as the rest of the evening goes, they are going to start to relax just a bit as we go deeper into overnight. Then the south winds, a little breezy as we go throughout our Friday. Right now, satellite and radar showers are moving in, making their way across the state. That does include here in the metro as well, central Iowa, going now towards the eastern portion of the state. We'll continue with these rain chances, but as we get into the afternoon, starting to get more of these snow showers into the mix as well. You can see those shades of blue kind of making their way, a little streaky here and there, not looking at a lot of any accumulations really. If the wind wasn't blowing around, it would just be pretty light accumulations to a dusting. But overall, the winds are going to be very gusty. You're not really going to be able to even see that really collect in one spot consistently. As we go throughout the overnight hours and we drop down into the teens and single digits, even a possibility of below zero numbers farther northern Iowa as we wake up into Friday morning. But what is it going to feel like with the cool down, with these strong winds? That's on your screen right now. As we go into the noon hour into afternoon, we're starting to feel more like the 20s and teens. And then by the time you get off of work, we're talking about teens, single digits, and even some sub-zero numbers farther to the north going deeper into the evening. It'll be right around zero, give or take about 5 degrees for a good portion of the state as we hit around 10 o'clock later on tonight. So it is quite the cold way to go about the end of the work week of it. Then as we go into Friday, we are going to start to climb those feel-like temperatures. The wind chills are going to improve Friday afternoon, but Friday morning it's going to be quite chilly as well. Saturday and Sunday, we're back up into the 40s and 30s, so it is going to be finally a warmer weekend to get outside, get out and about, enjoy some sun, because it does look like we have plenty of that. But as we get into the official start of the winter season, that happens on Sunday. Well, now we're talking about more 40s and 50s next week, and that does include Christmas Day.